So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert USDT to Nigerian Naira. So first of all you will have to come on Binance.com and after that log into your account and then choose wallet and then choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window you will look for this search bar and then type USDT. Now choose the convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option. Now click on it and search NGN. Now choose this option and now put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 1.7 and after that you will choose the preview conversion option. So guys, it will show you how much your 1.7 USDT are worth in Nigerian Naira, and if you have the sufficient balance then you can click on this button and it will convert your USDT to Nigerian Naira. So guys, if you find this video helpful then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.